Hello everybody, my name is BDFO and welcome back to a brand new LEGO Alt MOC build. Today, the final conversion for 76900's Koenigsegg Jesko, going from this lovely Pagani Huayra, which we built last week, into the Lamborghini Veneno, our biggest build of 76900's Alt MOC series, coming in at 269 parts over 111 steps. So divide that, you get roughly 2.4 pieces on average per section for this build. And it looks really quite detailed, similar to this right here, the absolutely stunning Pagani Huayra from last week. I've also noticed that this is a very underrated build, so if you haven't looked at last week's video, do go check it out and look at the link in the description. Go give this builder some love, because this is an amazing build and it deserves a lot more recognition than it has. Let's strip this thing apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's build, the Lamborghini Veneno. Enjoy. And it's a full and complete conversion from 76900's Pagani Huayra into Lamborghini Veneno, and it's frustrating. The build itself wasn't frustrating, the build itself was very easy, but it's just the amount of spares you've got to use for this set. I think there's more spares needed than this, and there's actually in the spares box for the official set. I think there's actually extras in this. I'm very suspicious of the amount of extras used, especially considering there's one extra corner there. You should not have an odd amount of corners. Unless the pieces have gone flying somewhere, I think this set requires you to have more than just the Jesko. But that aside, that little bit there aside, it is a very nice set, and I do like it. It's very pretty, looks like a lovely little Veneno. Little weak in places around the front and rear, as you get with most of these MOCs, they kind of hang on by a thread. But when you do piece it together, and especially have all the spares, this thing is spectacular looking, and here's a good build. But I am going to complain about the amount of spares needed. I obviously keep all my spares in the boxes, but this is a crazy amount of spares needed, and it is a bit frustrating when you get towards step 90 and you've got like 10 spares. Again, if we can forget about them spares, it is a nice way to round and cap off 76900. This is the last conversion I'm doing for this build. There is a poll on my community page right this second if you go and vote on that for a few hours. A choice of 4 sets for the next MOC starting next Monday on the BDF018 channel. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you build this set? Is it on your list? Is it something you want to avoid? Hopefully this video was informative to you. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section down below. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next build. Take care.